everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Sandra and I'm doing my YouTube channel showing my lifestyle, what I do and how I do it most of all. I'm a quadriplegic, as most of you know, but most of you also ask me like, are you sure you're a quadriplegic because you look more like a paraplegic? Yes, I might look like a paraplegic, but I think you have to take into consideration that I don't have full function of my hands and fingers. I mean, this wrist I can do it as normally, and fingers, so I would call myself a quadriplegic because of this, because I can't do the same thing as a paraplegic can do it with the hands, which in some tasks is really important and makes a difference, if you can understand me. Anyway, so this is my channel and thank you for coming. I want to present to you today what I normally eat for breakfast, and what I eat also the rest of the day. So here I start. So normally for breakfast I eat oat flakes, as you can see in this package, and I mix them in a bowl like this. Cute, right? And chia seeds, because they are really rich in protein and healthy. And I have this mix that gives me a lot also. It's a mix with seeds and dried fruit, as you can see. Okay, and I mix this everything in a bowl, and I use normally this kefir, or if I don't have this in the fridge, I use milk. And if I don't have milk in the fridge, I don't know what else to use. So I normally have all this, or yogurt or milk in the fridge to mix for the breakfast. And what else? Okay, this is for breakfast. Oh, and sometimes, at least once a week, I try to eat avocado in the morning as breakfast, because it's really rich in fat, but in the good fat, as maybe you know. And yeah, for lunch, what do I eat for lunch? Well, normally I make some chicken, breast chicken, or turkey breast, yeah, or also fish like salmon. I like it a lot, because even if it's fat, I eat it because it has the good fat that helps the body. And what else? Yeah, maybe with something as sweet potatoes, because they have less they are more rich in proteins. Okay. And or maybe with some rice, couscous, maybe some tomatoes, paprika, something like that. And for dinner is something similar, or I most of the times choose to eat salad with tuna and boiled egg. Yeah, that's what I normally eat in a day. And besides of what I'm eating, I wanted to show you what kind of accessory, if I might call it like that, I use for eating as a quadriplegic, and maybe for preparing the food. So this is the first thing. Maybe you can see it. So this is this side is really soft, and it just stays on my lap like this. And the hard surface It's also resistance to warm, so I can put hot things on it. That's why I have it on my lap. I can put my my plate with food here, and even if it's hot or warm, it won't burn my legs or something like that, because this is protection, which is really good. And I use this, well, I use it also for cutting a bit. Maybe you can see here, I damage it a bit. Don't ask me why. Okay, and now to show you my special cutting board that looks like this. It's really big, right? But it's nice. It has basically everything. So basically here you can peel off the fruit, or you can slice in really small pieces, tiny pieces, the potatoes, for example, or I don't know what else you have in mind. This is normally for bread, this size, because you can lift this up and you can adjust it. You just put the bread here, and then you can slice the bread easier, because yeah, I don't have equal strength in my hands, so this is really helps. I put the bread in here and I cut it really easy. This is for tomato or something like that I put in there, and I am able to cut it easier. I don't need to keep it in my hands or cut myself because of that. And this side, it has also other, let me see, it has also two other things. This one, you can do the cheese here, something like that, and this one that is smaller, and as you can see, it's still in the bag because I didn't use it yet. Okay, and this brush, I would call it, it's used for potatoes, to take off the most of the peel of the potatoes. And this side, it's actually really handy. You put the bread, a slice of bread here, and if you're not able to spread I don't know, butter on the bread, this is helping because it keeps the slice of bread in a place. So if you don't have the entire function of your hands, so if you're a quadriplegic or something like that, this is a really good one, and it's multifunctional, and it keeps also a lot. I like it. And you can keep it on your lap, like I do, like so. I don't need to do something else. I'm not getting dirty, it's here. I don't need a table for that. I can work like this. It's really nice. This is really nice. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and see you in the next video.